India has firmly dismissed claims that the United States played a role in brokering the recent ceasefire with Pakistan. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, in an interview to Dutch broadcaster NOS, made it crystal clear the truce was negotiated exclusively between New Delhi and Islamabad. Responding sharply to US President Donald Trump's claim of involvement, Jaishankar quipped the US was in the United States. He revealed that US Secretary of State Marco Rubio and Vice President J.D. Vance did reach out, Rubio to him and Vance to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but they merely expressed concern with no role in the negotiations. Jaishankar underlined that India told all those who reached out, including the US, that if Pakistan truly wanted peace, they must communicate it directly. Their general had to call our general and say it, Jaishankar said, confirming that's how the ceasefire was sealed. Meanwhile, India slammed Turkey for backing Pakistan. New Delhi urged Ankara to stop encouraging Islamabad's cross-border terrorism and called on Turkey to push for verifiable action against the terror infrastructure nurtured by Pakistan for decades. In a separate remark aimed at China, India reminded Beijing that mutual trust, respect, and sensitivity form the bedrock of India-China relations. This came after Pakistan reportedly used Chinese weapon systems during its recent military standoff. India's message is clear: no backdoor diplomacy, no third-party brokering, only direct, accountable dialogue.